Okay, so week 4 of urban dance, and talk about today's lesson. Let me just, I didn't even get my notes out, that was my fault. Talking about today's lesson, okay, so what I found went well and what I thought went wrong in the Ritmo dance. So the Ritmo dance went really well, actually, today. We've developed it quite a lot, and we're probably about halfway through it, and so far, I've learned that very well. Like, I've learned how I'm going to use different I've already explored the different styles of techniques, and I've learned a lot of what urban dance can bring to each movement and how I can explore each movement. So yeah, in today's lesson, obviously, Nikki taught us a bit more. Like, obviously, each week we learn a bit more. And today's thing I found quite hard because it was like these kick flicks and like going back and I think they're called kick flicks, going back and forward. And I struggle with them quite a bit, but again, I found an easier technique, and obviously for next week I'm going to practice them more in the mirror in my room, and obviously practice them more. Yeah, so that went really well. Also, another thing that I struggled with is one of the movements that we do in urban is we have to wait for a count and obviously stretch our hand out. That is actually near the end of the routine that we're going to do that, but obviously I did practice a little bit, and obviously because I haven't got everyone else not got the timing right yet. We didn't. I struggled with that one, but anyway, talk about the positives. The positive in the group dance. Yeah, again, I feel like I've learned it. Like, I've actually learned half the routine, and obviously, feeling that you learned half the routine. That's such a good thing to develop your ideas, and obviously know that you've got half of it already in the bag, which is very good. Yeah, other than that, it went really well. Today I had to miss the Thursday's session because I wasn't in due to illness, so that is why I wasn't in. But other than that, it went really well. And obviously this video is only going to be about the group dance on the Wednesday, the Ritmo, but it went really well. I've developed my idea as well.